In my two previous videos, I told you what is descriptive essay and narrative essay, but in my today's video you will know that what is expository essay and how to write it exactly. So if you want to know that how to write it, then you have to watch this video completely without skipping any part. But in order to go forward, I need your cooperation. So if you like this video, give your like, subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and share it to others. So come with me just to look at this video. What is it exactly? Well, in order to write an expository essay, you should follow 3 simple steps. And in this video, I am going to tell you what they are exactly. So the first step here, that is write an introduction. Well, I hope you have seen that like other essays, expository essay starts with an introduction also. It works as a hook to catch the attention of readers inside of the essay. This introduction part makes it clear what the theme of your essay is. For example, if I say modern era, also known as modern age, is spanned from middle age to the present age. It is certainly divided into 2 parts, namely early modern age and the late modern age. I hope you can see that how I have started the introduction part in my essay. So in this way you can follow it. Second one, that is writing a body paragraph. Well, writing a body paragraph is one of the most important tasks for your writing, not only for expository essay but for all kind of essays in English, because it is the part where you describe everything elaborately. You go for an in-depth analysis of your essay. For this example, you can see here I have tried to write about the topic, that is modern age, elaborately with some explanation like this age is eyewitness of the brutality of world wars. In this age we can perceive the digital revolution and so many things, etc, etc. So in this way you can write the body paragraph in your expository essay. The last one, that is conclusion. The conclusion part of an expository essay plays an important role under the discussion, because in this part the prior discussion throughout the essay should be summarized in an engaging way. You shouldn't write anything new here, just try to summarize what you have mentioned in your previous discussion. So that is the main thing what you should follow in the conclusion part. So I hope you have understood how to write an expository essay. Well, if I go with this example here, that the modern era is complex, ambiguous and dynamic. It also has brought great success and opportunity for us. So in this way you can end up your writing your essay with this kind of conclusion part. Don't bring any new thoughts, just try to summarize what you have said in your previous discussion within this essay. Well, I hope this video will help you to understand what is an expository essay and how to write it. I've tried to summarize everything. Still, if you feel that it's not enough to understand, you can leave your valuable message in the comment box below. Well, if you like this video, give your like, subscribe my channel Laboni YT, press the bell icon and share it to others as much as possible. So that's all for today. Tata, see you again, bye.